Let me show you how to have this interesting cover for your presentation. See the soft video. For first step, add text box and write minuses on it. And then select all of them, go to Shape Format, Text Effect, Transform, and choose this Transform, Deflect. And then make it bigger. If you want, you can remove some minuses. Select all minuses, right-click on it and go to the Format Shape Text option, and here choose Picture and Texture field. Insert your picture from your file, and then you can add some effect on your minuses. Go to the Text option, Text Effect, and choose Shadow. Okay, also you can add your picture in your background. Right-click on your background, Format Background, go to the Picture and Texture, add your background. But here, Transparency. In Transparency, change the number of transparency up to 80% or 90%. And also, go to the Text Artistic Effect and choose Blur for this. Okay, it's better. Now you can add your text below your shapes. Add text and write your title. And also you can change its size, fonts, and color and make it bigger. Add some effect on your text. For the last step, add animation to your shapes. Select all of them and go to the animation, choose More. Come here, More Entrance Effect, and here add Compress Effect for your animation. Select it, and after that, go to the animation pane and click on More and choose Start with Previous. Let's see what's happened. Go to the slideshow, and it's a result. Thank you a lot. For more videos, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.